Yeah, I was going to see the waterfalls in Khao Chamao, which is in the district of province of Rayong. So come on, I'll show you a little bit how it looks. And when you go to the waterfalls, you often see a lot of fishes swimming there. It's beautiful to look at. And I also recommend, it's a beautiful place to have a picnic, so bring some picnic with you. 7 different waterfalls to look at. And it's really nice here if you have the pass the way. Okay, let's go and look. And you have several waterfalls here. I think it's seven different waterfalls you can go and look at. Very moisture in the air and hot today. And here you can swim. It's good water to swim in and relax. And it's also important that you bring some water with you, because it's hot to walk there. And of course, if you want to swim, you take some swimwear with you and good shoes to walk in, because it's slippery also sometimes. So I have to quit this journey up the waterfall because it starts raining heavily today, and it has slippery shoes and it's raining really a lot. Look.